So me and Nature Bando here just got into this abandoned church. My hands are absolutely freezing. It's like 30 degrees out here. Sorry if it's a little shaky. Just look at that stained glass. There's a lot of books scattered on the stage here. That stained glass is just beautiful. Flowers, fake flowers. Even the stained glass on these little windows right here. And you come up, the Bible is still open. Look at the woodwork on these pews. When you come back here, it's pretty cool. You can just see the detail on the walls. Like I said though, I'm sorry for the shaky hands, it's absolutely freezing. This is behind, oh yeah, we're going up, yeah? Oh, we're going up. This sketchy ladder. So we just did the little sketchy climb. Worth it for that view. Wow. The part of the roof just collapsed when we were standing on. Oh, that's cool. Leads right into the baptism tank. Direct shot of the church. And again, just look at the detail and the wood. We should get on that side. There's pews on that side. This side's literally destroyed. There's old stained glass up here though. That broke from up there. Chandeliers and the organ. It's really cool. Nature Bando just pointed this out. It's the pastor balcony. Good view. Still with the pews rotting up here. And the cross. It's better little angle of that. It's a great view of that stained glass over there. It's really a lot more destroyed since I went the last time. In these cabinets, they still got plates and brand new forks, utensils, and there's spider webs. This looks like where they would serve the food out of from the kitchen. Some food schedule. And this room here just has some miscellaneous items. But we're gonna keep going up. This little office. This is cool. Still have a rug in here. Over on this bookshelf. I have all these old, dusty books. So as we come from that room into here, there's people right outside that window. But in this room here, they have monitors and old computer systems. And a huge mural. We're not gonna stay in this room for long because of those people right outside. They almost finished their puzzle. They just needed one piece. Another cool little office. The mailbox is still the names. Some paperwork. Still got some paperwork over here as well. It's cool. And these chairs over here. Oh wow, this file cabinet is full. Life skills. Can't really open it up with those people right outside the windows, but they left everything in this little office. We're gonna go check out over there. But first we wanted to see the stained glass. That was untouched though. Oh wow. This is the old stained glass that was broken on the windows. It's so cool. Shaky hands in this freezing weather. The detail. Every pew. And then when you come over here, the detail up top. And the wood. Super nice. They just have a big pile right here. An American flag even. They're just old stained glass, it looks like. Sad to see. So when you would walk in the main doors right here, you'd be greeted with this room with these pretty lights, fixtures, and these huge doors. The windows up there. A picture here. And you would look up into the church. But we're gonna go up top and take a look. I think this way. Oh, never mind. There's still stairs. Oh, this way's blocked off. Let's go up. We're gonna have to go check the other side. Hopefully this one won't be blocked off for us to go look up top. Yeah, this one's open. I can really feel that winter breeze on my hands now up here with these windows open. But this is breathtaking. Just look at that ceiling. The pews, the wood pews are just getting decayed, but very slowly. They don't even look like they're in awful condition. The stained glass that used to be up there, probably was so pretty. These huge crosses with the windows are my favorite. Come on, man. Take a seat. Just a spectacular look. It's kind of an odd word for it, but I don't know what else to say. It's just so pretty. Look at the lights. These windows right here. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video at the abandoned Lutheran church. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.